So yeah, we'll get started now. So let's the music stop, and we are on day 3 of our React Native journey. So hope you have learned something in this day 3. So we're going to continue it. And React Native is not that much tough as the people see. A lot of basic concepts are there. Then you have to do some projects. Yeah, I have some projects on my channel also, but you can go to some other channels, and maybe in the future I will create some more projects. And because we are going to have some more changes in the channel. Okay, so that is there, and let's start it and all. Okay, so that is there. Okay, so let me share my screen and we'll get started now. Okay, yeah, so this is where we were in. Okay, this is where which we had done in the previous class. We had done this thing and all these things, button pressable and all these things we have learned. So now it's time to go ahead and what we are going to do now. So we are going to learn about models now. So models first, and then we are going to learn about how to add images and all in this React Native. So first, let us learn about models. So models, let us do that. And for that, this time, let me make okay. 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 No problem. Okay. So we are going to create components. And let us create a component this time. Okay. New folder, components. I'll do in this components. I'll have this model comp.js, and inside this I'll have a React Native function export style. So this is how you do React Native, and this is done. And then we have this thing, and this is done. Okay, so let me save it, and I'll come back to the app.js. App.js, we have done a lot. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Okay. Comment this all out for the time being. Then this all let be there. I won't have any pressable here, so comment this also out. Comment this also out. So a lot of things have been created. Okay, no problem. So that is there, and now container safe area container and all is there. And after this, okay, so here I'm going to call this model comp. I'll call like this, and it will be called. Okay, so model comp is called. Let us see if the styling is correct and not, and flex one is there, and align item center, and justify content is center, and we have some padding also. Padding is 25. So everything is a number in React Native. Everything is a number. So let me save it. So when it refresh, I think nothing will be there. So this model comp is been shown. So nothing is there. There's a model comp is been shown. Okay, in the center. So let us come here, and in the model comp, we are first going to use the pressable to show a button. So this model pop-up will be there. Okay. So we are going to show come here, and inside this, let me remove this, and after this, I'll have a pressable is there, and this is there about React Native is there, and pressable I have to import. So let me import this pressable also. So pressable I have import. Pressable we have seen in the previous class. It is like a button. So nice button we are going to create with this pressable. Okay. So after this I will do style equal to styles dot button, and on press equal to set model. Okay, so visible to. So this is something I should have created earlier. On press there will be a use state. Okay, so const model visible comma set model visible equal to use state of false. Initially it will be false. On the moment I press the button, it will be coming as true. So this is there. Then I will come here, use state comma, and this is there, use state like this, and pressable and all this at model is true. And in this text I will have the style equal to styles dot button text. Style the button and style the button text I have. So this all are done. Let me save it. Okay, about hearing it. But as I have told earlier, also pressable and all, everything you have to style that thing, or else it doesn't come. So the thing which we have to style is first this button we have to style, and this button text to style. Let's do that. Button is like this. Okay, syntax is not required. Height is 60. Border border radius is 10, justify content is center, and align items is also center, and width is 100%. Okay. Should be in a quotes. Then background color is, I like the color dark magenta, so it is also taking the dark magenta. So that is done, dark magenta and all. So then save it. See, it will be shown like this. Okay, width is maybe, where is 100%? Width is 80% is okay. 80% is much more better, not 100%. Now I have to give the button text also. So button text is like font size is 20, color, because on a darker thing always the color of white is suitable, so color is white, and font weight is like bold, and text transform, where is the text transform, is uppercase. Save it. So it is looking nice. Okay, it is looking okay. So that is there, and the button is looking nice. So now what we have to do, we have to show a model. Okay, so showing a model, and for that also we need to have some asset. Okay, so let us get some asset from somewhere. Okay, and where we are going to, so what we need to do here, we have to create a asset folder, and then on inside it only we are going to have that all asset. So here, new folder, ASS EPS assets, and from where we're going to have that. So as always, we're going to take the everything from the unsplash.com. Okay, so we're going to unsplash. I'm going to take it. So I'm going to go here and unsplash. I go, and desktop setup is the good one, 1920. Okay. Which one I should take? Which one? Maybe this one I will take. 1920. Okay, this one I am taking. So I've taken this one. Okay. So reveal in Finder I'm doing, and assets I'm going, and this I will keep it there. Okay. So the express image is there. So what we are going to do, we are going to show this image also. Okay, so that is one of the reason we have taken this image. So now the nice image is coming, and this image is there. Okay, so this we are going to show this image, and so let us do that. Okay. So after this, we are going to use a model is there. Okay, so there is a model component is there. So we are going to use that model component. Okay, so that model component is what? Let me also show that thing 1 sec. So a lot of things are there in the documentation. So this is the model component which is there already there, and we are going to use this component. So model is already there in our React Native. It is only in React Native. So see, all these things are there. Half of the things are inbuilt into React Native. So model is also there. So we are going to use that. Okay, so let me take it aside and we are going to use it. And so here we are going to come and model is there and image and model also we will use some of the things. Okay, model, what we are going to use, first thing which I'm going to use is the animation type equal to slide transparent equal to true and visible equal to model visible, and image is the image. So this is how we are also going to use this image tag and model tag and all these things we need to use, and everything comes from React Native. So model will also come from React Native, and this image will also come from React Native. So it's equal to pair dot ABS. Yeah, dot assets is there, and I think it is on Splash. What is that? It is splash.jpg. Dot will be there, and splash.jpg. So this is the repair, and we are going to have style also. Style equal to styles dot image, and then we are going to have some text also. Text again here, and this is there. Text. And let's write something nice. React Native combines the best parts of native development with React, maybe something like this. And again this okay, so again this text will have this style equal to styles dot text is there, and all these things are done. And then okay, so this is how you create a model, and we just have to do the styles now. So let us do the styles. So one we have created for image and one we have created for the text. So I'll come here, and first we're going to do for this image, I'm going to do, and here it will be margin top is 150 comma margin bottom is 10 comma width is 100% comma height is 350. Okay, this is done. Then text is font size is 24 maybe, and then margin bottom is 10 and width is 100% and padding is 40. So this all I've created and save it. So it is refreshing now. See, this model visibility is there, and this set model visibility is true. So initially I won't have any model. So the moment I click it, the model will be shown, and inside the model have an image and a text. Let's see whether it is working or not. So I'll click it here, and the model is been shown. So model is been shown perfectly. So this is how the model is been shown. So transparent is true and all these things. So the animation type you have to give, and visibility is model visible. So initially it was false. This is a React concept. The moment I click this button, this will become true and the model will be shown. So that is done, and our beautiful model is been shown. So but now we have not written anything to close our model. So let us create something to close the model also. Okay, so for this, again, we are going to, after this we are going to have a text thing. Okay, text, and it will be having the close and style equal to styles dot close. Is how easy to create a model in React Native. Everything is inbuilt. See, React Native is also, everything is like inbuilt. So even the Flutter is there. There is something like Flutter. Flutter is also nowadays become very popular. Flutter also have almost everything inbuilt. Or maybe I will teach that also sometime, because that is also in a very good demand. And I only teach those things which are in very good demand in the startups mainly. Startups are the one which creates the most number of jobs. Okay, so a lot of my friends also have their own startups, and they also like require Flutter and React Native developer. React Native developers are always in demand. Along with React, if you have this React Native skills, you can get almost every job on this planet. So set model visible is there, and okay, so this is there, and let us have this close text also. Close text, and font size is 24, and color maybe a different white, that is again, let us have this dark magenta, my favorite color. So dark magenta. Now this dark magenta with my favorite color. Okay, dark magenta is there, and the other thing is that it will have the text align of center, and so this is this. So the simple close button is there. I don't want to create some button or something like that. You can get a press on button. So I'll click it, it will go. I'll click it, and this is how the model is coming. And see, the animation style is slide. It is coming from the below, it is coming. So this is how the models are displayed in any website. The models are created like this. So we've done this model also. So the next thing which we are going to do is to go back. Okay, go back here, and okay, forgot which was the code there. Okay, this OTP code which we're having, so let us create that again. Okay, this OTP text style, enter name, enter OTP, secure entry. So let me have this back, because we're going to add some image here. Then this where was the pressable? So this is the pressable, and text. Okay, pressable is there, and text is there. Okay, okay, so we are going to show some, we are going back to, this is something which else we have created. Now we're going to back to the old code which we have done yesterday, and there we are going to create something. Okay, this I don't know whether I remember to give this in GitHub. Maybe I'll give this in GitHub. Okay, so that is there, and this pressable and all, it is there on submitted and all. After this pressable, so this text, I'm going to change this text. Okay, this text and all I'm going to change. I think I have commented out this also, so I have to uncomment this. A lot of things have come. Okay, okay, so after this pressable, we are going to change this thing. Okay, This is there, but I don't remember. Means I removed some of these things, I think. One sec. Container is okay. I don't want any padding here. Background is okay. Flex one is okay. Don't want justify content. Let me remove this. Save it. Okay. Something weird is coming. Okay. I don't want this model component also. So I'll remove this. So it will show like this. So the earlier code which we were having earlier, yesterday's code. So now we're going to show some image also here depending upon something. So after this traceable, we'll have one sec. Instead of showing the text directly, I will have this, and I will have this submitted here, and this question mark, and then not this model component on all. I'm going to show this view and safe area view. One sec. Safe area view. I don't want this styles.container to be here. I want it to be just having this flex of one. I'm going to have it. Okay, so this I have done, and this submitted and all is there. Okay. Right. In this submitted, I'll have this view like this, and the other thing which I am going to have is like styles.text. Name is there. Okay, name is there, and this view will have my styles.container style equal to style.container is there. And if I have this ternary operator, I will have an or part also. So let us have this or part. In this or part, I will show a image. I'm going to show. So like this. So we're going to soon have some more images, so I'm going to show that image. So this text component, you entered this name is there, style.container is there. I'm going to show another image here. So it is like image. So let us have some images now. Okay. One sec. I have some images, nice images in the asset folder. So which kind of image I'm going to have? Within Finder, assets, and I'll have a done and the error image. Okay, I'll have this two images. So that is done. So submitted, when the submitted is true, so I'm going to show the name and I'm going to show one image. That image will be different. This will be style equal to styles dot image and source equal to, so we've seen this in the model also. Source is like require and sets and done dot png. So done dot png will be there, and we're going to have another thing, okay, which is there is a very cool thing known as resize mode equal to cover. Resize mode equal to cover we're going to have, and again we are going to have the same thing. Okay, and let me have close this images and style.images required, and this will be error, and resize mode is this time I will have a stretch, stretch. Okay, so this all things I'm going to have, and this image I'm going to have image I'm going to have it here, image. Okay, so image is there. And just have to have one more thing, which is the image is like this, and width is 100, comma height is 100, comma margin is 10. Save it. Okay. Oh, it is showing like this. Okay. Flex one flex one line item is center, background color and all. So is the container not taking or what? Okay, I moved the okay. I think I don't have to change that here. No, why it is coming like this? Yeah, so it is coming fine. See now, when it is this submitted, when this is submitted is right now it is false. So this error kind of thing is coming. So the moment I submit something, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I submit it, see the name is also coming. So this part is running. Name is also coming, and the image is also being shown. So this is how it has been shown. Okay, so that is done. Now we are going to show another thing. We are going to show a very good nice background also, background image we are going to show. So let us do that also. Okay, so for that what we are going to do here, okay, so this that's input and all is there. Okay, and here first thing which I'm going to do at this time, actually it is like flex one I'm going to do, and there is an image background tag is there which we are going to use. And after this text I'm going to use this image background I'm going to use BACKGROUND image background I'm going to use. And the main thing about image background is that you can wrap everything with that. So I'll cut it, and after this everything means after, before the safe area view, I'm going to put it this image background. So this is a bit different from the image tag. A lot of people don't know about it. What happens with this image background tag, you can have a background image sort of. Okay, so I have okay, and this image background I will have the style equal to Steve Y and E equal to Steve Y and S dot container, and then source equal to URI. Okay, and this is another way. I can also give the image from the internet. Okay, so it is not like always have to give this in this image tag. I was giving the local image, but I can give the image from the internet also. So that is what I'm giving right now. So I'll come here and URI. I'll come here and give it like this. Save it. Okay. So it is giving me that image background is not there because I have not imported the image background. So I'll come here and I will do a comma and image background I'll do and save it. See now the nice image background is coming. Okay, and instead of your background image and all, okay, background image, I think background is image is also taking, but the image background is coming. So now we are going to learn one more thing. See this button is there, so this pressable button is there. We can create a custom button also, and it is very popular to create a custom button not having here. Okay, because even the on press, it is having this on press thing, but even this on press thing we can take it from outside. Okay, so we are going to do that. Okay, so how we are going to do that? And here we are going to have a, in this components we are going to have a custom button.js, React Native function export style again. So that is done, and and let us copy this thing, this pressable button, this thing I'm going to copy actually. Press 7, and I will put this here. This is there, return traceable and all this thing. So how to have this function there? So this is where we are going to have this callback functions. So this is again a React concept, not a React Native concept. Okay, so this pressable, I'm going to have this pressable. Okay, pressable I'm going to have, and text and this pressable. And instead of this, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to come here and I'll do a props. It will come as a props dot any function name I can give. So it is better to give something else like press function. I'm going to give press function, and it is going to come as a props. So I can use this button in a lot of other places of the props I'm going to use. And style dot button style and all these things are okay. And title is also something like is there, like props dot title is there. Okay, so that is there. And button style and button text, this is something which I am going to copy paste it from here. Button style and button text. Okay, this is I'm cutting from here and pasting it here. Button style and button text, and what, and this button style is there with the height, border, radius, and all these things are okay. All these things are okay. And this props is coming from the your different thing. Okay, props is coming from our main function. So now what we have to do, we have to go here, and this first thing is that this thing, where was my pressable, this pressable thing I will delete it. And instead of this, okay, I have to keep this thing. Okay, so first thing is that there won't be any pressable like this, so I will delete it. And then I will have this custom button I will do, and here I'll have a press function props. Okay, equal to, I'll call something online, means in this only, on press handler. I'm going to call this inside only. Okay, on press handler, and I'm going to pass a title here. The title is submitted, is there, and this. And so this, both of these are props which are getting passed here. So this press function is getting passed, and this title is also getting passed. So both of them are getting passed. This custom button, maybe this custom button is created at the top. Yeah, custom button is created at the top. And what else is there? What else I need to do here? So this on press handler, I have to create this function on press handler. So I'll come here, and maybe after this I'll do const on press handler equal to like this, and set submitted is not of submitted. Set submitted is not of submitted. It's done. Save it. Okay, so it is done, and let us see whether it is working or not. So I'll come here, and submit it. It is working fine, but something is this is showing like this. Okay, maybe I know what is the reason. Okay, one sec. So here the first thing is that there should not be any background color here, because we are not using this thing. We are using like not I'm not using this, and this custom button background color and all is okay. So let me clear it and let me submit it again. So now it is okay, because the background color, it was taken from there. So that is done, and we are done with this part also. So now what we are going to learn, we are going to learn about a very important topic in React Native, which is known as navigation. So navigation is not like React navigation here. Okay, so we don't have anything like React router down. A totally different concept is there, and it's a very different concept, because a mobile navigation is a bit different. It is a layer on the top of layer, something like that happens in the mobile. Okay, so that and this is again a third party library. Okay, it is not like this. Okay, it is a third party library. Oh, they have also migrated. Oh, this is not a good thing. Okay, when they migrate these things, okay, I don't like it, because see, right now they migrated right now, so all of the code will break. Okay, so one thing I need to check which version I was having. So sometimes this new thing get added, and React. Okay. I don't know, means whether it will change all these things and all. Okay, so this is a very big thing. That navigation thing, it's a very big thing. Let us see whether it is working or not, or else we have to go back to the earlier part and all. Okay, one sec. Okay, so getting started is how. So it is telling me to install this thing. Okay, I'll install this thing, and then it is telling me to install these two things. Okay, these two things are there, and there are different kind of navigation after this. Okay, so we are going to do that. So I will come here and I will maybe not here, maybe I will do it here only. Command J, like this. And the next thing which it is telling me is to install these two things. Okay, so there are a lot of npm installs which you need to do here. Okay, it is not like that easy. React navigation is. So now we are going to look into the stack navigation. So stack navigation is like this. In this api reference you have to go and api reference navigation container. Okay, not this. Where is my stack navigator? Okay, let me directly go here because I'm not finding the exact path. Okay, so stack navigator is there. So there is something known as stack navigator. This is what we are going to use now. Okay, stack navigator we are going to use, and this is how the stack navigator provides a way for a app to transition between screens when each new screen is placed on the top of each of the stack. Okay, so it is called stack navigator. This is how it works in React. Okay, each of the screens, see this album thing is coming, so it will be placed on top of each other. So that is there. And what they're telling that you have to use this stack. Okay, stack you have to add, then gesture handler. Okay, I'm not using Expo, so I'm using pure React Native, so I have to use this gesture handler. I have to add. Okay, so this copy I will do, and this and install. So a lot of npm installs are there. So first npm installs were for the common thing. Now I'm going to use a different stack navigator. So this I'm doing, and then I'm going to do this gesture handler. I'm going to do. Then I'm come here, and there is one more thing which I have to install. This marks view. Why they are not? Okay, so this one also I have to install this marks view. So I'll come here, copy it, and marks view I have to do. Hello, hello. Okay, hello. Someone's telling hello. Hello. Okay. Yeah, so this is there, and this marks we have done, and then now it is time to create the stack navigator. Okay, so a lot of things we have done. So let me go to the app.js, and we have to do a lot of installs here. Okay, so we are here, custom. Okay, custom button and all is okay. So app.js I am there, and here as they have told us this import navigator gesture. Okay, I think if I'm top or make sure. Okay, I will add this also because I think I have not added this earlier. It generally gives some error if you don't add it. So this I have done. Then we're following whatever they are telling this. So this create a navigator, but we have to create one more thing which I think I have not done. Okay, so this we have to do, and we have to use something known as navigator container also. And this is like import navigator navigation container from this. So this is something which we have to add. So this both of these things we have to add, and then okay, so here what we are going to do, we are going to create the screens first here only. Then after that we are going to change it, or we're going to create the screens here only. So let us do this, and then const first SCRWN string equal to navigation is there. Then I'm going to come here, and so we're going to create two strings, simple two strings we're going to create, and okay, const on. So soon we are going to change it to some different file also, but let us see like this. Okay, so first string and navigation dot navigate. Through navigate we can navigate to some other file. So second is what I'm going to show soon. Okay, so this return is like this, and then here I'm going to have this view styles dot container. We already have it, will be something like style dot body, and then view is there, and then the text is there, and style.text first screen is there, and we'll use a custom button which we already have. This text is like this, and title go second, maybe go second. I will have second like this, and similar to this I will have a second screen also. So first screen is there, let me close it, and let me have this second screen I'm going to have, and navigation will be there here, but we are going to have something else here. So navigation dot go back I'm going to have like this, and then view is again the body, and this will be the second screen, and this custom button is like this there, and go first will be there, on press handler is there, go first is there. Okay, so that is there. Now we are going to go back to the app. We are going to go back, and here we are going to do a lot of changes. Means we don't want this, all these things, background image and all these things we are going to remove it. We're going to comment it out because I think I have not yet given all these things. Okay, so even I'm going to comment this all, and this safe area views and all also I'm going to comment everything I'm going to comment it out. And let us start fresh. Okay, I don't know why it's coming like this. Then let me do one thing, I will comment out everything at one go. So many different comments are there, so it's better to have everything in one go. So yeah, so all of these things are not commented. So let me come here and safe area view, and to come here like this, comment everything out. Now why it is giving me this error? Okay, maybe I'm not returning anything, that's what is giving error. So it's okay. So Navigator container I'm going to have first. Okay, now that it is gone. Okay, so it was giving error for this, and then stack. It is something like React router, okay, but not exactly React router. It is something like React router, but not exactly React router. A lot of differences are there. So navigator is the stack.navigator is there, and inside this stack.navigator we'll have this stack.screen, something like this, and stack.screen second. So because this is something which we had named, and where am I? Too much. This also I don't have right now. Okay, so this, let me do one thing. Okay, this is much better. Okay, this is also not showing. Okay, so this I have this first screen and a second screen, and there is something how I uniquely identifying this is the second is there, and first is also there. So one is known as first, one is known as second. So that I am doing here. So I am doing here, and name is first and component is first string, component is second string. Okay, and we will have here in the first one I will have one option also. Okay, so okay, let me first see whether it is this is working or not. Okay, and we have some different styles here. Not a body we are going to give. Again, the text is okay. Font is 40 more. So this I'm going to have, and this I'm going to have, and then body is like flex one, comma, justify content is center and align item in center. It's okay, and this is the thing which I'm going to have. Okay. Okay, let me save it. It is refreshing, it's taking a lot of time. Okay, it is giving me stack is not able to find stack. Okay, because stack generally we have to give it somewhere. The stack we have to give somewhere. Okay, yeah. So because it is giving me error because I have not created a stack. Stack I have to create like const stack equal to create stack navigator. So like this I have to do. Maybe it will go away. Oh, I'm getting a new kind of error now. Okay. 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 Go back here, and maybe I'm getting it here again. So sometime you have to restart it. Okay. So it doesn't do it on its own. So I've done this, and I have to do this again. Npm run iOS I have to do. So let it do again, and meanwhile let me do one thing. Yeah. Let me give the attendance sheet here. mark your attendance here, and okay, market attendance here. And this error I've seen earlier also. I don't remember why it is coming. Means. See, this navigation have also a lot of issues. Okay, I don't remember how I fixed it. I fixed it actually somehow previous time. I don't remember right now. Maybe I have to see something this off screen, and I will see, because we are not yet done with navigation. There is a lot of things remaining in navigation, because there are something like stack navigation, other kind of navigations are there. So this is something which we are going to see tomorrow, and other kind of navigations are also there. That is also something which we are going to see. And with this, I will end today's stream here, and we'll do continue this navigation tomorrow on J4. Thank you. Bye.